Okay, I'm going to show you today what the use of this product that I'm advertising below, which is the Soundclick booster. You can download it from the link below. Yeah, you do have to fill out a survey, but it's fully worth it. This is one of my clients, Kashmir Beats. You'll probably see him nearing at the top of Reverb Nation charts, but he's using this free product below. You can see this product, it can get you right up there at the top, just like Google SEO. It'll be the first one that people click on when they want to buy something from you. So the business, the opportunities here will really boost it. So just click on the link below and you can get it. It's really easy to use. Just type in your SoundClick ID and boost. Enjoy.